Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Hope you're having a Merry Christmas. These are just some Stampin' Up cards that I have done, and some you may have seen, some you may have not, and I hope you will enjoy. If you have any questions about any of the products that I have used, just ask me in the comments down below. I will answer them, and also remember, look for down below. I also will have my host code where you can order any Stampin' Up products that you may want to order from me to do most of these cards. Now, some I have used some past Paper Pumpkin products, so that you would not be able to use, but any of the other products you can get. So I hope you'll enjoy the video and the cards. So please leave me a comment, a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and click that notification bell for all notifications, and have a very Merry Christmas.